In front of me is VIVO V60E, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto brightness. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Display and Brightness available here. Then use this switcher next to Auto Brightness available under Brightness slider to switch it on or turn it off. If you wanna do it much faster though on daily basis, here's how. Go into Tab menu instead by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen and click on this eye icon available on the right of your brightness slider. When it's blue, that means that auto brightness is on, but you can switch it off by tapping on the same icon until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!